everyone, and welcome to Friday's Celebration Assembly. We're loving being here today because we have so many awards to give out, don't we? Yes, we do. And we're really proud of the children, how well that they've been getting on since we've come back from the Easter holidays and how hard they've been working. So we need to keep that up, children. You're doing a fantastic job. But we do have some award winners for this week. Are you ready, Betty? She is. All right, Betty, go sit over there and I'll tell you who has won our awards this week. Going for gold. First, we have in Leeds class, Ellen, for a great start to life at Newlands and making friends straight away. We also have Macaulay for the same thing, getting a great start to life at Newlands and learning the routines so quickly. In York class, we have Zach for fantastic answers and reasoning in maths. We also have Michael for super Fred talking in Read Write Ink. In Hull class, we have Daisy for writing her letter Y at the end of her name. We also have Zainab for her excellent maths and English work. In Nottingham, we have Rome for using fantastic vocabulary when writing the story, The Very Busy Spider. We also have Grace for having a positive attitude with her maths. In Liverpool class, we have Lexi W for trying her best with her handwriting so that it is legible. And Oliver for super money work. In Cardiff class, we have Lucy for using and applying new vocabulary in English and reading lessons. And Isabel A for getting more involved with class discussions and trying hard in our morning maths lesson. In Edinburgh 1, we have Harry for a superb topic work this week, looking at how St. Ives has changed over time. Also, Tilly for really focusing on her maths this week and showing superb understanding of division. In Edinburgh 2, we have Poppy for always making good choices and being respectful towards others. And Emily for her wonderful writing about Cornwall. She has used lots of description. In Cambridge class, we have Caden and Ethan for their teamwork in solving tricky maths questions. And in Oxford, we have Atonia for good effort with her homework, plus doing extra maths at home. And Ewan for good contributions in lessons. Well done to all of these children for the fantastic work they've done this week. Give them a big hand. Year of Being Brave. In Leeds class, we have Jake for being brave after a fall and gracing his knees. Harper P for settling into nursery even though she misses her mommy and daddy. York, we have Lacey for coming into school with a smile this week. In Hull class, we have Jacob H for moral bravery for bringing healthy water in school in his bottle. We also have Ivy for intellectual bravery for trying really hard to learn her teen numbers to 20. In Nottingham, we have Lilia for moral bravery and understanding when someone isn't making the right choices. Skylar also receives an award for discipline bravery when trying to ensure her letters are the correct way around. In Liverpool, we have Morrissey for disciplined bravery, for always being focused and really getting ready to work. We also have Caleb for intellectual bravery, for trying to be more of an independent learner. In Cardiff class, we have Goran for intellectual and moral bravery. He's working hard in all lessons and becoming more confident. We also have Rosie and Charlie for intellectual and discipline bravery, for both getting full marks on their spelling test this week. In Edinburgh 1, we have Ava and David for being brave enough to take on new challenges in Read Write Inc. and really working hard and enjoying it. In Edinburgh 2, we have Tex for empathetic bravery. He always takes care of others and makes sure they are smiling. We also have Noah for moral bravery. He always makes good choices and helps others to do the same. In Cambridge class, we have Jack for intellectual bravery and trying new methods to persevere with challenging work. In Oxford class, we have Leighton for trying hard with his addition and subtraction calculations. We also have Benjamin for good contributions in lessons, including answering questions and volunteering to read our class book. Well done to all of these brave children that we have in the school. Give them a hand. Well done. Betty, come on, Betty, come. Now, Betty and I have been talking a lot about what we wanted to look for the Head Teacher Award this week. And Betty told me that she really loves reading. She does. She loves reading. And she does a lot of reading at home as well. And we were talking about how the children are supposed to be filling in, getting their reading diaries filled in, and their parents take a picture and put it on tapestry so that the teachers could see how much reading they're doing and how they would know what to talk to them about their reading. Yes. So we went through tapestry. Yeah, we did. And we have found some children we would like to give the Head Teachers Award. And all of these children get their award for reading at home and also getting their parents to put their reading diary on tapestry. The first ones go to 3 children in York class. And this is Anna, Henry, and Philippe. Well done to the 3 of you. In Nottingham class, we have Hubert. And in Liverpool class, we have George. Well done to all those children. Now, there are some other children who are doing that. Fantastic. But I believe we're going to continue looking for reading diaries and see those who are reading, aren't we? Yes, so we're continuing to do that. So make sure you read at home. Get your parents to fill in your reading diary. Get them to put it on tapestry. Share with the teachers and with us. And so we might choose you for the Head Teachers Award next time. All right, children, we have finished another week of the summer term. You need to keep working hard as you're doing and being proud of yourselves and being confident in what you can do. Well done to all of you. Have a good weekend. Bye.